Looking for something to impress someone coming this Christmas? Then I have this recipe for you. Or you want to add it to the hamper that you want to give to your loved ones. Stay tuned because I got your back. Hello, creative bangers. Welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. We'll be using condensed milk. To that, I will be adding half cup of water. All right, 1 egg and extra quarter cup of water. Mix to combine very well. Do not worry. The list of the ingredients will be at the comment section. All right. Mix to combine very well. Go ahead and set it aside. In another bowl, start sifting the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right, to that I will move in with milk flavor, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and cinnamon powder. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. The cornstarch is to add extra crunchy to the chinchin. If you are with me at this moment, type extra crunchy. All right, now it's time to move in with either butter or margarine. Once you add, go ahead and mix till you form a sandy texture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, or a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, now we have a sandy texture. It is time to move in with the wet ingredients. All right, moving with the wet ingredients, you are going to gently mix. Now, when it comes to mixing your chinchin dough, you don't need to be rough with it. All right, you need to be gentle. Okay, if you are angry, please don't mix my chinchin recipe so that you don't transfer your aggression into the innocent dough. Gently bring the dough together. You should have something like this. Okay, this dough shares similar texture with that of meat pie, but not exactly. All right, transfer to the work surface. I'm going to divide into 3 equal parts because of the size of my work surface. All right, if yours is big enough, you can roll everything at once. Dust the work surface with some flour. I drop one of the dough, moving with the rolling pin. Start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Erima, watching from Nigeria. Kamsoluchuku from United States. Gloria from Ghana. Mabel watching from Ivory Coast. And Mary all the way from Canada. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one, about 1 millimeter thickness. You can roll to your desired thickness. All right, go ahead and cut with a pizza cutter or with a knife, any shape at all you can give to your chinchin recipe. This is the shape that I'm going for. After cutting, gently pull. Chinchin can be air fried, it can be baked, or it can be fried with an oil. In Nigeria, we mostly fry chinchin with an oil. So I'm going to fry in a deep hot moderate oil. Gently throw these ladies into the hot oil. Once you throw them, allow them to split. Okay, if you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. All right, after dropping into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Now, I'm going to flip them around for the first time. Okay, do this gently, okay, because they are not crunchy at that point. Allow to cook again for another 2 minutes. Now you can start flipping them around from time to time. Go ahead and fry according to your preference. Chinchin is set to be ready once they are golden brown like so. Just look at that popping color. I love it. Take it out of the hot oil, put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil. You just made yourself a delicious milky chinchin. Very simple and easy. Now the next thing to do is to transfer the chinchin into an open tray like so and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Do we love the recipe? Do we? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Is it crunchy? Let's find out. I take a bite. Oh my word, can you type that sound at the comment section? Now it is time to take it to what I called luxury chinchin. Add some in a beautiful package like this. I move in with homemade roasted peanuts. All right. Now you can see I added some chinchin, then I added the peanuts, then added another chinchin. Now moving with some candy and some tom mint. You see this tom, I came into this world and met this tom. I'm almost 100 years and tom is still here. In fact, tom is now a living ancestor. Do you love this luxury? If you do, type luxury at the comment section. Isn't this good for a gift? Let me know at the comment section. Don't mind me. This is just an idea, all right? In case you just want to impress someone come this Christmas season, this is my idea for you as a creative banger. Now, I also did to Harry what I did to Dick. I put some in a plastic bag like so, then give them a beautiful design. Are you loving it? Are you? I'm sure you do. Now, if you don't want to use condensed milk, or maybe you don't have condensed milk, you can use half cup of sugar, half cup of whole milk, or any liquid milk of your choice. All right. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.